Okay.
So hello everybody, good morning, welcome to back. My channel is my name is Prakash Thapa. I am a student of the SAS Institute. I am studying MA first year. Today the topic of my presentation like business plan. The subject is like the entrepreneurship of management, preparation by the Parul Bhagat man. So business plan basically has the project, idea, market, management, strategy is computers. Like without these all factors, like business plan is not possible. I think so. So business plan is my business plan like the coffee shop. So like brand name like the Matt's Coffee Shop. About of the business. So the coffee shop is kind of the restaurant that is sell the coffee and tea. Our vision like the to be the lending and the integrate the coffee shop is a service group and country by delivering the consistence. This quantity product is like excellent the customer forces like service. To the sale coffee is a fast and friendly environment that is appreciate and the pride the consequences like health and the minded and the consumer. Our mission basically the attending the best class productivity and the efficiency like building our brand also. The reinventing the business like congestion like throughout the technology and the innovation reinforce the new way the coffee shop by the living our like value every day like product. So espresso drinks basically like americano, brave, cappuccino, latte, moch, macchiato. Like coffee is like a regular coffee, like hot coffee, cold coffee, Oreo blend coffee, chocolate coffee, black coffee, Kit Kat coffee, and World Tower blend. Like other drinks, basically now they have the like hot chocolate, hot tea, kid hot the cocoa, like Joycey, white and chocolate the milk drink. Market analyze. So market analyze the most important point like the target and competitions. So what is say something about like the target? So may have target market will have being the anyone can enjoy the coffee and but will have the mainly the target people like age like 18 to older, both the male and female, and who have the, of the both working like classes. So the is total population is the conversion like it is like 15,411 and the some number is the males and the female are the about like same. They are the 11,813 the restaurant over the age like 18. Competitions. My major competitors the will be the Panthos like coffee, which is located and the central like avenue in the Americana. So on the one the strength like Pantho is the coffee, the will be like that way the serve the coffee and the cakes. They have also like Congress will the science 2016 like the and they have will the now the people may also the brand loyal to their customer attraction. So basically like good environment weather, decoration, membership card, discount, coupon, and Wi-Fi. So market promotion basically like the poster, like poster is help can attract to attention the customer in the unconscious like the state will have the traveling on the road or the working like the like pamphlet the flyer is put inside the newspaper or the supply at the doorstep can be great help. Advertisement basically local newspaper is advertisement will be help in the rising the awareness well as the creditly of the coffee shop as a newspaper as the being the ready to mass population and also the trusted upon of that a fact the portrait by the newspaper. Online advertising the photo and video the promotion on the Facebook and the YouTube can be give like extra milega to viral the marketing. So HRM basically HRM is defined as a process like meaning and employ the company and the it can be the involve the hearing the like frying the training and the motivating the employee and example like the human resource management. Here is the way the which can the company hires new employee and train the new workers. For example like the position member salary working. So position like manager like member like one salary like 1000 RK like 2 hours. Creative coffee artist like 2 member and like salary like the 6000 RK like 6 hours. The waiter is like 3 members like salary is like 45,000 RK like 6 hours. So basically like management, it like management has to work in the full time the work and opening the house like closing house. The creative is the coffee artists have to the work like 6 hours each of them. The waiter have to the work like 6 hours the each of the two groups. Operation market mission. So overall mission is to the will the provide the friendly, the comfortable like atmosphere where they have the customer can be the receive the quality and food like drinks and the service at the reasonable price. Our cafe will be offer the variety and the choice to the like customer is composition like expression like regular the coffee and the swap drink and the tea of the all sports will be have the available. Coffee sport the coffee will be the open from the 8 a.m. to the 10 p.m. like 7 days from the week. Organization automatic drip and coffee makers, a high quality the espresso like machines, and the industry is the coffee the grinders, milk and waters, refrigeration system, contain the pump and the isolate the miscellaneous, oven the toasters and the device like used for the cooking, security system. This structure of the manager and there is the most of following like creative coffee artists and all the working like the waiter side. Final data analyze. So investment business is like the total investment like was a file like the with all equipments. Like the basic purpose like financial projects are the establishing the profit the pension like the business and they give you the responsibility execution. Determine the how much the capital the company need and how it will be used. So demonstrate the rate and the business can be the generate that cash to the operate and the repay loans. Final statement the amount I was the start all the business by the investment like 5 lakh take like fixed cost like the security like 1 lakh 50,000 like decoration like 75,000 and like equipment like 75,000 like total fixed cost like the 3 lakhs. Like secondly variable cost the basic house and cost basically like the 5,000, waiter cost is like basically like 22,500, manager cost basically like 7,000, creative or the coffee arts like the 8,000, raw material bills like 1,000, electronic bills like 800 and Wi-Fi bill like 1,400, like total variable cost like the 45,700. Conclusion, with the planning and the start the our business with the lot the expectation our the business is running now. For the successful like planning we are the getting a profit from our business. Throughout it is a small but we are the hopeful like that our sale and the profit will be increasing more in nature. From the experience of our like the business we can just say for successful. Thank you so much guys, you can listen to my presentation and watching my video.